back to my channel. So we are currently prepping for my sister's birthday tomorrow. She's turning 17 and we're gonna be doing a surprise party. We have Mariam right here. We're currently blowing up some balloons because we're gonna be doing a balloon arc for outside. We're gonna do like the whole decorations ourselves, and yeah, so we're gonna go ahead and put you guys here, show you guys the whole process. We're gonna run some errands later on. We're gonna go to like Costco. I'm starving, I have a headache, but we're waiting for Alejandra to wake up from a nap, so you know the whole deal. So yeah, you guys are gonna see us blow hella balloons and do the whole thing and finish it later on. Alejandro's building a bird cage because the big cage is getting too small, so you know, putting a bigger one. So yeah, this is a whole process. I'm starving, I have a headache, but we got this, So let's see how this balloon art comes out. It's only me and Mariam this time, so yeah. So this is what we got done. Alejandra just woke up, which is perfect because I want to get out of the house already. I'd rather do everything I gotta do and then come back home and just finish this because place is closed, my house does it. So yeah, that's what we're gonna go ahead and do right now. We're gonna go get dressed. I mean, get Alejandra dressed because I'm out of here. I'm starving.
She made me cut all the thing.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, buenos días.
I asked her how she slept. She said good.
A ver a tu muñeco. ¿Dónde está tu amigo? A ver a tu amigo. Wow, qué amigo. Guys, every time Alejandra wakes up and she has her little toy, she makes whoever carries her, she makes the person kiss the little bear, you know, because since we kissed her, she wants us to kiss the bear too. Or whatever you call it. It's not a bear, it's a giraffe or something. So we're gonna go ahead and see you guys out. Alright guys, so we are currently looking for Shirley's things to finish, you know, her present. We're looking for, like, we're gonna do a flower arrangement. We got some things to decorate it, candy melt, some butterflies, you know, a little bit of everything in there. Her snack. ¿Quién es esa, Ale? Mira. Ale. Ale. ¿Quién es esa?
Look.
Yay! Decided we're gonna do the flower arrangement in this box. We're looking for something to put the strawberries in,
But it's broken. They're both
broken, and that's the matching one to this, which is great. Ended up getting a bunch of things. When we get home, we will give you guys like a little haul of everything we got from both stores. Went to Michael's and Hobby Lobby and Costco, and this morning earlier I went with my mom to BJ's and Party City. Guys,
we have to do so much stuff.
We gotta do the balloon arc, we gotta do the flower arrangement, we gotta do the strawberry arrangement.
Then we have to tomorrow, or no sé, we have to go get the cotton candy sugar because I'm taking my cotton candy machine.
And we have to do the live at 9. And it's currently 7:18. Alejandra still hasn't eaten. Thank God I brought her a snack, and she ate her good lunch.
And we have a drive-through close because if not,
we already ordered Chick-fil-A, which, speaking of Chick-fil-A, we've had Chick-fil-A this month a couple, like almost 10 times, if not more. I can't even look at their menu without wanting to throw up. I feel like you know, eating it so much has like obviously affected us not liking it as much. But real, the pregnancy, like, dude, I swear to God, you can ask Mariam, yeah. I start getting goosebumps and my mouth waters like if I'm about to throw up. I can't even look at their menu.
So we have a Taco back just in case if she does.
But yeah,
oh my God, it's gonna smell a lot like Chick-fil-A in here.
Okay, so hopefully this whole thing goes away because we love Chick-fil-A. We used to come once a week, which was what we should have done.
Yeah, but that way. No, look, this week, oh my God, was it this week or last week?
I think.
No, this week too. It was last week and this week. We had it almost all 5 days, like Monday through Friday.
I can't even. So we are back home and we are gonna be doing the flower arrangement for Shirley's birthday gift. So
we placed the the green thingies that soak the water so that the flowers stay alive.
Yeah, so we cut everything how it's gonna fit, since it's like a round box. It's a little more difficult.
I'll have
So
to clean this.
yeah, now we're gonna have to take all of this out, wet it, and put it back in. So we obviously layered it in this like plastic under so the box doesn't sog up and break. And Mariam's over here soaking up the little
We need a
cubes.
lot more water.
Yeah, we're soaking up the cubes with water, so the flowers don't die. But yeah. Update, we had to go get more flowers because we didn't have enough for this, so let's go ahead and add this to this. Added some gems to the middle of the dark ones so I could give it like a little extra pop, and the box is so nicely. Finally, it's done. We added the actual present, which is the money. We spread it like all around the flower arrangement, and then we added some chocolates as well, which gave it like actually the touch. And it fits everything through the rhinestones, the green, the money, the chocolates. Beautiful. This is how the strawberries came out. We covered some with peanuts, and we added some little signs, some butterflies, some little candies. We loved how these came out, and they come in like that, this container. So definitely super cute. All right guys, so the balloon arc is done. Mariam is literally dead. She literally wants to kill me. But we just finished. It's 1:30. This is what we're gonna put happy birthday. We didn't want to fill up the side because I feel like it's too packed, but this whole thing there with the table and the cake, I think it looks great. Alright guys, Charlie's about to get home. We just showered, so it's the whole surprise thing. We're all waiting for her here. Baby.
How much is surprise?
Hi.
Hi.
Did you see Elizabeth?
¿Cuándo la viste? ¿Afuera estaba?
Okay, come over here.
Wait.
Come over here.
Oh my God. Ya dile a Lisa que entre. Dile a Lisa.
Surprise!
¡Qué lindo! I love it. Who gave me this?
Me and Maria, we were together.
I never expected you guys here.
Shirley? And this is our other present.
Oh, love it. Go ahead.
It's chocolate covered strawberries with peanuts.
Who gave me this?
Me?
Thank you. Wow.
Happy birthday to you.